Hello friends, Namaste. I am Vasanta from VS Gardens. Today I want to tell you about some gardening mistakes I have done during this 1 year period. And first of all, when I have started this garden, I just thought of planting some trees in it. So I bought some trees and in a haste I went to purchase some containers so that I can transplant the trees. So what happened is, this is the container I have purchased. These are the containers I have purchased, and see here what happened to this. So this is broken and I am very sorry for that. I was really hurted because this tree, which has to be stay for a long years, and that container has been broken. So this type of containers I have here. Here also I am having one container. Here you can see this. Here you can see this how it is, and I am very sorry that this type of containers are not suitable for these trees. See here, even this also, here you can find out that it's broken. So this type of containers we should not take when we purchase when we are going for planting these trees. Even for any tree, this type of containers are not required. So what I feel is, we have to have a stronger ones, and this is the one we have to. This type of containers we should have. See, you can see this, so nice it is. So you can see, as you can see, this is very nice for the plants to grow, for trees to grow. And this is also, this type of container also is very good for planting trees. See, you can see this plant, this container, and this one is also, this type of containers are very good for planting trees. Okay, so this is the first mistake I have done. I just went into the shop and purchased the those type of containers, and I felt so sorry afterwards, and that's what happened in my garden. And next one is, I just planted these seeds into this container. This container is good. Okay, this container is strong. It is only 100 rupees. Okay, this is only 100 rupees, and it is very strong, and we can put some seed. I have put some seeds also. But as the plant grows, as the climber grows, this, see here, as the climber grows, we have to tie this up. Okay, what I did is, I didn't tie this. You should put a stick there. Then we have to tie this to the climber here, like this, so that it goes up and up like this. But what I did is, I was a little lazy, and I didn't do that work. So what happened one day is, lots of breeze has come, such a lot of rain and all has come, and so what happened is, that's just collapsed. I just put it on the stick like this. See here, this stick I have kept like this at the back of it. So what happened is, it just fell down. It fell down, and immediately I have taken action. I just got some strings, and I just wanted to tie them up. But what happened is, it is very sad that the plant didn't survive and it died. Okay, this type of mistake we should not do, because as soon as the climbers grow a little height, we have to see that they are climbing up properly, and we have to arrange this. We have to tie this tie. Okay, like this we have to do. So this is the another mistake I have done in my gardening. And one more is, it's here like this. You can just see some container like this. Suppose this was the container. I have put some this. What I did is, this potting mix was wrong. Potting mix, what I did is, I have taken a lot of leaf instead of this red sand, mud. I have taken a lot of leaf. I have, so lightweight, because it will go lightweight, and on the terrace it will be light. But I didn't take up the proportions like 30%, 30% and 30% what we have taken. So how we are taking that 30% red soil, and 30% coco peat, and 30% vermicompost, or any compost, and 10% we are taking this neem powder. So then that ratio I didn't do. That was the main reason. What happened is, the leaf compost was heavy. So what happened is, when the plant grew to a stage, suppose to this stage, yeah, that was long beans. No, not long beans, bush beans, I think. Yeah, it has grown up to this state, and it suddenly all the this roots got shaken because of the heavy rains and all, and heavy wind and rains, and it didn't survive like. This is the reason why I couldn't, this is the main reason we should not go to over lightweight, and yeah, we should compulsory. I feel, what I feel is, I'm telling you what I feel is, we have to put 30% and 30%, what we are following, we should keep that only, so that the plants will survive and will have a longer life. Like otherwise they won't survive, because the leaf can't hold it. The leaf can't hold the plant. Only the mud which we are putting, that will hold the plant, but not the leaf compost. So if the compost is more, then the leaf can't, then the plants can't stand. That is what I want to explain you. And these are the 3 mistakes I've done. Totally, the plants were totally collapsed. They were already getting some vegetables also. Some beans were coming up, but to my disappointment, everything went wrong. So what I have done is these 3 mistakes. I have a lot of mistakes too, and yeah, with the experience we will be knowing what we can do, what we should do, and what we should not do. Okay, so this is the message I want to pass on you, and I feel that this video which I have taken is useful to you, and I hope you will all subscribe, share, and press the bell icon, so that you will get my next videos. Okay, then thank you, bye. I have a small video also, maybe I will attach to this video. If I have attached, then you can see that one also. Okay, then thank you, bye.